Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, and I talked about how it was interesting and maybe some sort of potential bounce could occur, and that's exactly what happened today. The price did indeed show some strength, got the bounce. Now going into next week, it just becomes a question of, okay, yeah, the price is bounced, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce, or is this going to be one of these dead cat bounces? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level right here at 13.5. Why is 13.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 13.5. If the price were to go down to 13.5 and then just continue to drop and bleed to the downside, at that point in time, you would literally have the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with these lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as 13.5. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now. It's all about the famous 50-period moving average, which on my chart denotes or is denoted by that purple line right there. And you can see going through the history of things, rejected the price downwards, rejected the price when it got in within that area. And then today you can see the price literally cruised right below that the entire day long. So that'll certainly be public enemy number one going into Monday and the next week. All in all, though, any way you look at it, you got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice bounce on the bulls' part. Not just a question of can they build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.